Kaistanan, I'm Jess of DK Realty, and today we're gonna feature this huge mansion here in Villa Calanga. So, Banico, let's explore the mansion. So, this is a huge house, and then shoes off, and actually, this is the receiving area over here. Diba, imagine, it is so huge. Diba? So, kani siya is for imong purpose, and if di ka magdugay yung bisita, pwede na jud nimo diri pasulod. And then, of course, ang imong bisita dili na mahasol ay rather kay na siya own toilet and bath. So, tara, atong explore more ang sulod sa balay. So actually, upon entering this house, that is your main door over here. And this is your dining area. So tanawa, di ba? Nice kayo ang mga chandeliers and all. And by the way, this house has an expensive na mga furnitures. And it is also included in the for sale. So, enough about the dining area. So, let's proceed over here. In the kitchen, so, ganahan kayo ko no kay ay kabalo na biya na ako yung favorite na color is black, silver, and white, and brown. And this is the theme of the area. So, over here, pwede ka magluto-luto sa mga small na mga lutoanan. Pero the magic really happens in the kitchen is over here. So, diri ilahang murag dirty kitchen na dili dirty, limpyo kayo, pero diri jud sila magluto. So, this is your living area. So, imagine, taas kayo and open below ang theme. And, muna akong pasabot, this is your furniture. This is a signature Bentley. Diba? Cozy, nindot, stylish, elegant. And of course, naapog ka imuhang own na sala over here, which is Chanel. And over there is ang entertainment area. So imagine the house, daghan kayo og matambayan. So, upon proceeding upstairs, you are welcome with this huge pathway sa second floor. So, guwapo kayo ang stairs, di ba? Imagine. And then, your chandelier. So, pwede ka magtanaw-tanaw diri. Nakibisita, you can say, hi, hello, sulod. And then, of course, ang ilahang bedrooms kay nanay own toilet and bath. So, this is the first bedroom. So, di ba? Luag siya with your own walk-in closet over here. And po kay own toilet and bath. Di ba stylish kayo? Then you have also your split type aircon and then proceeding to the other room. Also over here, o di ba? So all rooms na siya own niya ng mga walk-in closet. And of course, ang toilet and bath. So very lovely kayong house, no? Oh. It's also high ceiling. And then, of course, your another room over here. So, di ba? Nindot kayo. And also, naapo din na area. Oh, di ba? It is so amazing jud kayo ang balay. And my personal favorite over here is the master's bedroom. So, as you can see, grabe kaluag. As in, you can fit an entire family just here in the master's bedroom. So, di ba? And of course, nasa iyahang own terrace or balcony, pero dili na ito maabrihan kay ilang i-renovate. And let's check the master's toilet and bath. So, this is your master's toilet and bath. Gabi ka dako, gabi ka high ceiling with tiles po doon sa taas. Nindot jud kaayo. And of course, dili siya matawag na mansion kung wala ka imong own big walk-in closet. So, di ba? Pwede dyan mahimong own room nimo. So, imong mga collectible items na ana diri. And of course, naatay isa ka empty room, depende sa imuha. Pwede nimo mahimo og gym area, office nimo. So, ikaw na bahalaan eh. And then, so, Hanga ko sa balay. So nice kayo siya, no? And then the ground, look at the tiles. So perfectly round theme sa balay. So once again, if gusto ka ani to live your lifestyle, then this is the perfect mansion for you. Very located siya sa mga near establishment here in Butuan City, and hindi ta makaschedule og site tour ani. So for more inquiries about this property, do message me and I'll be happy to assist. Once again, I'm Jesse, enjoyers of DK with the Philippines. Thank you for watching.